decided to make a wreath. So over the weekend, I bought a few items, and I'm just gonna make a very simple wreath I'm gonna place on our front door. I got this from Joann's. It was like 40% off, so I got it like $3 or something like that. But these were a little pricey. They didn't have price tags on them, so I wasn't quite sure the amount, but because it had the little brooch in there, it cost a little more. If I would have known that, I wouldn't have gotten it, but I only got a few. They only had one sunflower. I thought that was absolutely beautiful, and they only had one of these. So I'm going to use just a few flowers. And then I ran to the Dollar Tree this morning because I had to pick up a few other items, and I decided to get 2 of these bushes. They kind of resemble or blend in. Then I got some cattails. I got one of those, 2 cattails. I don't know what this is. And then I got these. You guys know I'm a bling sparkle girl, so these also came from Joann's. I believe they were for a wedding. I don't know. I thought that'll look really, really nice against this wreath. And then I just got a little, a few of these little picks here. Oh, look at this. That little acorn with some jewels. Super cute. These strings right here came from Walmart for a few bucks. I may not use that in this wreath. I just had it here. And then also, I got this from Joann's. It says welcome. I have a little, oh, here you go. Let me grab it. Over here, I'm gonna make a little sign. This little board came from Walmart for like $2, and I found this at Joann's. So I'm just gonna place that there and maybe put, where's the little sparkly leaves? I have 3 glitter leaves from Walmart right here. So I originally started out with this stuff from Walmart, these 3 glitter leaves, this little board, and then as I went to Joann's, I found all of this other little stuff, and then a few items from the Dollar Tree. Yeah, these little things were from the Dollar Tree. This basket was super cute, and then this is gonna be my welcome mat that I got from Ross. Probably like $6.99. Let me see. The price is still on the back. I like it. It's metallic. It will go with everything. It was $8.99 for the welcome mat. I got this metallic. It's like a rose gold pinkish color. I think I'm just gonna put this up, but this is also at Joann's and it was marked down, so I got these 2 wreaths. I'm just gonna start placing stuff. I'm gonna pull these Dollar Tree stems off. We'll pull it apart and stick it inside this, and that's what we're gonna do. So. Okay, let me share some of the things that I've gotten done thus far. I added this little hello sign, this little metal thing. I didn't really glue it, I just intertwined it with the branches to keep it there. And then the sparkly here, I only broke apart. I was showing you, I took one stem and just broke it apart. So I used a little bit on this side, and then I intertwined some of it in here. And I also did this with this little brown beaded pick. I'm gonna go ahead and lay it in with the crystals. Yeah, I think that's really nice. And I'm almost gonna be to the end with this. I don't wanna do too much. I do wanna add one of these little bling things, and then a few, I don't know if I'm gonna actually put a pumpkin on here. Maybe I'll just add this one because that one looks fun. These are too orangey. So I'm not gonna put this one, but I will put this one here and this, and I don't know if this will be doing too much. So I'm just gonna add a few more items on here, and then I think I'm going to finish off. Maybe I'll add a few more flowers up around here. But I'm really, really liking it. It's so fall-y and so glam. I love it. Alrighty, I'm almost finished. I'm just adding a bit of greenery. I felt like that made it a little more toned down and more fall appropriate. So I didn't buy any fall greenery picks. So I'm just taking it off of the Dollar Tree. I'm just sliding them off the stem and then adding them in. I think this side just needs like one little piece, and I'm just merging it in here and then putting a tab of hot glue, and I think it just tones it down quite a bit. Yeah, do I want to put this right here? Yeah, I'm gonna glue that down. And then I like how the acorns are wire, so I really like that. And then I'm able to position them and make them stand up like 3D a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna push this down so I can still see the sparkly acorns. I may add the green. I think it needs a little more sparkle on this side, so I may add in the green acorns. Just take a few off, maybe not the whole pick. Add a few in here, and maybe just maybe one little thing of crystal on this side, and then we should be completely finished. Yeah, this is so beautiful. Okay, so here you go. It's all complete. I'm not gonna do anything other than hang it on the door. Let's get it up close. Look at the brooches in there. You can totally do that yourself. Here is some acorns, pine cones, and you see I just need to get a little more string. That came off something, one of these things that was just sitting there, but I could not leave that little plasticky thing, so it looks way better. And I like that touch of green right there. This is my favorite part of the wreath, is that beautiful sunflower. Here we got the cattails, we got that little pick with the acorn, and then this little goldy leaf there. Yes, this needed a little bling in there, so I just put a pearl because it was missing something. And I like these little black beads. What are those, like black balls, or I guess blackberry looking things? I'm not sure, but this is how it turned out. I absolutely love it. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and move on to the little Dollar Tree. Alrighty, this thing will be so easy to do. I already bought this wash, like this piece of board. It's so easy, you can make this yourself. But I just got it from Walmart for like $2. I'm gonna go ahead and hot glue this welcome sign. I'm glad I took this piece of board in to Joann's with me to make sure that the welcome will fit. Also embellish it. Just add that last little acorn pick. Okay, so I went on and added this leaf. I didn't even hot glue it. I just put it on this part that I folded over, and that's that. And this is our welcome sign. So let's go put everything out. This is how it turned out. And look at the welcome sign here. It has the one glitter leaf that's from Walmart, and then we just DIY'd this. And here is the wreath. Oh, I love it so much. I have this brooch thing. I may add it there as well, or here. Let's just stick it here for now, because I'll just stick it there. This is my wreath. Oh, it's so pretty and sparkly. Alrighty, and so this is the leftover items I had. I bought this basket. I don't know if it'll actually stay here, but this is the some of the stuff that I had. So let me clean this little trash out of here. Alrighty, so I set the basket here in the corner, and this is a whole Dollar Tree pick. I'll take the tag off in a second. I'm just gonna sit it, just place it in there, just like that. And then I had, what are these called? Oh, these are cattails too. I didn't know these were a cattail. Okay, and I'm just gonna place, just intertwine it with each other and place it there on the porch. And then of course, you know, I didn't use these little things, so I can just leave them there And let me try to pull the tag off. They're a little small. Oh, yeah, that's a little bit too small. But anyways, this is how it looks. Let me step all the way back. Look, I have the screen door open. And look at my mat. Doesn't that look so good? Ooh. So I love how it's pulling that metal. I like this, that I found this mat is it's like a gunmetal looking mat. I love it. So we can just hose it down and it'll do really well. And then here, I brought the gunmetal here. I don't know if I'll leave that there, but it's so cute. And then there you go. I love it all so much. I just need to place something else in that basket because it looks a bit empty. But maybe I'll just put the pumpkins in there so it won't look so itty bitty. I'll just leave them. There you go. There you go. Look at this. Ooh, so pretty. And then you know we added in, well, I didn't. Darnell and my son added in these. Oh, you can't see them. There you go. These little solar panel things. I don't know if you actually see it or not, but this is how it looks. My front door. So pretty. Yep, there they go. So you can see it right there. Let me close the screen door now. Look at the top of my house. What do you call it? I didn't even realize that this wasn't concrete. It's rocks, but we may put a bench over there. I'm not sure. I did not even know that was rocks. And that's how it looks up there. But look. Oh, you can't see the reef. What? You always in my video. You always in my video.
You would have no video if it weren't for me.
Alright, you guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this beautiful DIY on creating our own wreath. I may take that down because I think this is gonna knock. I just put cord up here, some wire that I got from Walmart. I'm gonna take that down. I think that's a little bit too much. Okay, so I just moved the crystal out the way because it's on the wire and I can't get it out. But this is how it looks without the crystal hanging. I think it's absolutely beautiful either way. I actually like the little crystal. Maybe I'll figure out another way so it won't knock against the door. But here you go. Thank you guys so very much for watching. I hope you guys had a great time. Go out, create your own wreath. If you choose to do so, make sure you give me a tag or leave it down in the comments so I'll go check out yours if you make videos and do your DIY wreath as well. Happy fall. It is officially September. So we have fall coming. I'm not sure what the weather is like here during the fall time. Anyways, I will speak to you guys very soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. I can't. Okay, this is it. Bye.